Namaste guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise. And today we are going to share Bisi Bele Bhat, that is Karnataka special recipe. So come on, let's start the recipe with me now. At first we will prepare for Bisi Bele Bhat masala, and that is very important to make this Bisi Bele Bhat masala recipe. So come on, let's start the recipe with me. And so let's start. Half cup of chana dal I have taken here, and then half cup of urad dal I have taken here. Together we will roast it dry until its color gets changed into the brown color. Roast it well guys. It takes 2-3 minutes hardly, and see here how the color is changed so nicely. And now we will remove this dal into the separate plate, and now we will move to the heated pan, and here I am adding 2 red chili, and then 4 tablespoons of coriander seed, 4 cloves, and then 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 small cinnamon stick. And here we need to roast it properly, all these spices, dry spices, very nicely until it leaves into the nice aroma, the flavor, and the color will also gets little bit of brown. Here you can see I have removed all the spices into the plates, and let's adding to the mixer jar, and let's grind it properly. Add little bit of salt in it firstly, and then little bit of hing, and grind it very properly guys. And so here we are completed the one step of this recipe, that is Bisi Bele Bhat masala recipe. So let's next move to the next recipe, and take 2 cup of rice here, and then half cup of turdal. Later add half cup of moong dal. Add water, wash it properly guys. So let's heat a cooker and add 1 tablespoon of ghee in it, and then we will insert this washed dal and this rice in it. Roast it properly guys. We have to roast it little bit, and then we need to add turmeric powder here, and then I have added veggies, that is green peas, potato, and then beans, tomato, and onion. Quantity I will mention on the screen guys. Add veggies as per your choices. And here I need to add 5 glass of water, and so here I have inserted first, and then second, and here I have added third 1 glass, and then fourth, and then fifth. So I have added total 5 glass of water, added little bit of salt as per your taste, and add chopped coriander. Again I have added the ghee in it, and let's cover this cooker, add whistle, and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. And so I am checking it after 7 to 8 minutes. The rice is completely cooked well, the veggies are cooked very nicely, you can see. And so let's prepare the third step of this recipe, that is tadka step. So I have added 2 tablespoons of oil in heated pan, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and then let heat it properly, and just added 2 tablespoon of mustard seed, and then 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Let's splatter it very well. Added red chili here, and then add handful of cashew nut, add chopped onion. Roast this onion very well in this oil, and at this stage we are going to add 2 big tablespoon of that prepared Bisibele Bhat masala, and then tamarind water. Tamarind here I have soaked into the water, and then smash it with the help of hand, and the tamarind water gets ready. That water I have inserted in this tadka. Let's this tadka add to this cooked rice, and so here we need to add this tadka and mix it well with this rice and these veggies very well guys. And also I am adding the prepared masala and little bit of ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee, coriander, The Bisibele Bhat, I like to keep it little bit of dry. If you want to more like it gravy, so you can add more water in it and it will turn into the gravy. And for that you need to add 2 more glasses of water while cooking the rice. And so here this is my type of Bisibele Bhat is ready to eat. Serve hot. Very yummy, tasty, looking so nice. This rice turned into super tasty, guys. Let's see it. How the rice color texture is so nice, guys. Serve warm with a pickle. Let's comment into the box. Please, guys, subscribe, like, and share to my channel. Please, guys, thank you.